One of the things I've really enjoyed working with Eide Bailly is that human connection. And that shows up many times throughout the various services that they provide. During the audit, if I have a question or an issue pops up, it's a conversation with the audit partner rather than an issue or a negotiation. We can sit down and have a one-on-one conversation and go through those items that are of significance to the audit. The same thing is true on the tax side. Paragon Films is the leading manufacturer of high-performance stretch film in the United States. We have plants strategically located on the East Coast and West Coast, as well as in the center of the country. We've hired Eide Bailly to perform our annual financial statement audit, our benefit plan audit. They compile and prepare our annual tax return, and as well, they have also completed a cost segregation study for us. One of the benefits we received from our cost segregation study was the acceleration of our depreciation on our buildings. Through this, we were able to realize an $80,000 present value cash flow savings. We chose Eide Bailly to perform this basket of services for several reasons. Prior to coming to Eide Bailly, we were with a large national firm. And to me and to my staff, it felt like we were not important. So we went looking for a firm that could provide a wide variety of services, but also provide us the human connection and touch and feel that we felt we needed and deserved as a business. And we found that with Eide Bailly. Prior to coming to Eide Bailly, our audit was done in April. And this was not because that's when we wanted it done, because that's when the only time the large national firm could fit us into their schedule around their other more important clients. So working with Eide Bailly, we were able to accelerate our audit schedule, get that done earlier in the year, which allowed me and my team to move on to other activities to generate value for the business. One of the benefits of performing our audit earlier in the year is that it satisfies our private equity investors and lenders' needs. They truly appreciate receiving the audit and having the tax return done earlier in the year versus when it took us till the end of April to get that completed. I often recommend Eide Bailly to other peers of mine. And when I do, I tell them that you'll get top-notch professional service and advice, as well as the personal touch and attention that your business needs. I've found through my years of working with Eide Bailly that the entire organization is filled with top-notch individuals that provide great business value and advice.